Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Welcome back. This is lesson number 37 in Surat Al-Baqarah. We're now on ayah 101. We are here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولما جاءهم, this is a mad extending, جاءهم rasulun, and then this is mixing with the meme here because it has a shadda. rasulun min this is a noon with a sukoon. Indillahi, indillahi. Okay, this is drop. You come straight to here. That's a lam. So the alif lams, when they drop, they just make a L sound, like indil, right? That L sound. Indillahi musaddiqun. This dal has the shadda. Musaddiqun. Now this is but with the lam here and the shadda. Musaddiqul, qul. Musaddiqul lima ma'ahum nabadha. So what do we got here? We got Noon, Ba, Dal, Nabadha, Fariqun. This Ya has a sukoon. Fariqun. So you just, when you read the Ra, Fariqun. Like that. But this here, Fariqun, notice this meme has a shadda. So again, as this would have been a but because it's mixing with the meme here, becomes fariqum. Qum. Instead of qum, because it's getting ready for the meme. Fariqum minal. Right? Minal ladhina. Minal. Again, this alif lam that drops. What happens when you drop this and you go straight to the lam, right? You drop this and go straight to the lam. Minalladhina utu. This waw is extending this. Utu. Okay? Utul. So you're going to go straight from here, reading the sukoon on the lam. You see that there? Utu. This is not read, that's not read. Utul kitaba. Kitaballahi. This is the long alif on the ta. Kitaballahi. وراء ظهورهم كأن كاف, there's a hamza. كأنهم, that's a noon with a shadda. كأنهم لا يعلمون. So كأنهم لا يعلمون. We're going to keep these videos shorter. Ayah 101. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next lesson. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum.